Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm excited to be here again and to officially start this challenge, right? How I will trade my last $300. I wanted to start this challenge about a month ago, but I thought I should take my time to explain the basics so that my new follower or subscribers would understand what I am doing, right? So it will not be one magic that I'm performing one magic or the other, right? So if all I have left was just $300, this is how I will be trading my last $300. So I just funded this $300 you are seeing, and I'll be showing you how I will trade this my last $300, right? So it might not be your last $300, right? It can be that you have tried all the possible method, you have tried all the strategy, and none of it is working, right? So if I have just $300 with my broker, some people blew up their accounts last Friday doing the NFP, right? So if after the NFP I have just $300, if after the NFP what is left with me is $1,000, this is exactly how I will be trading my last capital in my broker. Just imagine waking up tomorrow morning and all that is left in your trading account is just $300. No second chance, no gambling, no hope trade, just $300, just $400, just $1,000. You know, most traders would immediately start looking for the next big move. They will try to predict where currency pairs like gold, Euro USD, or stock like Nasdaq, where they'll try to predict where they are heading to, right? They would look for the perfect entry. Some people like perfect entry, sniper entry. They will look for perfect entry and hope the market moves in their favor. But that is not what I would do. That is not what I would do. If all I have left was $300, I would go back to one strategy that has completely changed the way I view the Forex market, and that strategy is statistical arbitrage, right? Forex statistical arbitrage, crypto statistical arbitrage, what is it called now? Stock indices statistical arbitrage, right? I will go back. Why? Because statistical arbitrage is not a directional trading strategy. I don't need to predict whether the market will go up or if the market is going down. I don't need to guess the top or the bottom of any price swing or any market. I don't even need to follow the gurus, right? Those that call themselves gurus on the internet. I don't need to follow them. Instead, I will focus on statistical relationship between two correlated assets, between two co-integrated assets. Now you understand what correlation is and what co-integration is, right? Because I've talked about this. This is the basics I talked about in the series, right? So I will look for or focus on statistical relationship between two co-integrated assets. So my objective will be simple. You don't need to complicate things as when it comes to trading, right? So my objective is just simple. I will find out when two assets, right? These two assets that I'm monitoring closely. I will find when they normally move together, and when they become temporarily insufficient or mispriced, then I will position for their relationship to return to normal. This is exactly what I will do. This is exactly what I'll be doing in this challenge. This is how I'll be trading this $300. I will wait for assets that normally move together, and I will wait when there's a gap between them, a misprice, a divergent. I'll wait. Then I will position myself using the tools, Excel, spread, standard deviations, and some of the things that I discussed, using them to be able to take advantage of that divergence and then position for their relationship to return to normal. This is the foundation of this challenge. Over the coming weeks, I will trade this $300 account, and using, of course, the same statistical arbitrage principles I've been talking about in this channel, right? And in the course. For those who don't know, I have a course, right? But I don't want to talk about the course now. I want to focus on this challenge for now, right? So every trade will be documented, right? Every trade will be documented. I will try my best to record when I'll be taking the trade and also after the trade. So I will come back here so that you can all see what I am doing. Every entry will be explained. Every result, whether profit or loss, will be transparent. This challenge is not about turning a $300 into a $30,000 or a $3 million overnight. So I want you to get it. I'm not trying to flip an account with this challenge. I am not trying to turn a $300 into a $30,000 over time. It is about demonstrating what discipline and probability-based strategy looks like in the real world. So one thing I would like you to know is the mind, right? What is the mindset that you need to have? Which I have already, but since you'll be following me, what are the mindset, psychological tips that you need to know so that you can be able to follow me and know exactly what I'm doing, right? So if you're following me, you need to understand that success in statistical arbitrage depends less on strategy and more on psychology. So what are the mindsets? What are the mind that you need as a trader or as a best trader? You must be disciplined. If you are not disciplined, you must learn discipline. You must also have patience, right? Patient. It is very, very important. You need to understand that the market doesn't owe you any opportunity. It doesn't owe any of us any opportunity every day. Some people find it difficult to understand this, that they don't have to trade every day. You don't have to trade every single day. That you're a trader doesn't mean you have to be on the computer or your phone trading every single day. In fact, if you have a system that allows you to trade every day, you have to be very, very worried. You have to be very worried, because it is not how this industry works, right? So the market doesn't owe you anything. You don't have to trade every day. You must learn patience and you must be disciplined. $1 profit, you need to understand, $1 profit is a profit, right? As long as you follow your rule, as long as you follow everything that needs to be followed, $1 profit is a profit. Like I said, I'm not planning to turn this $300 into a $30,000 or a 1 million, whatever. I'm trying to show you what discipline can do. I'm trying to show you what a simple profit, accumulating simple profit every single day, even if you're not trading every day, every time you place a trade, you're accumulating a little profit, and you are adding your capital, or your portfolio is growing gradually. This is what I want to show you. This is exactly my goal, right, in this challenge. I'm not trying to impress you with this strategy. No, far from it. My goal is not to impress you. My goal is to show you a practical and realistic approach to trading based on statistics, based on data and probabilities. So if you ever wanted to understand how professional quantitative trader think, follow this challenge closely. I'll be showing you how I will be trading this $300 gradually, growing it. Eventually, I don't have a target, right? I don't have a target. Don't ask me what is my target. In fact, I don't have a target. My target or my goal is to execute my process, right? Efficiently execute my process, which is what I mean. My process, I mean my strategy, what I look out for before taking my trade. That is my ultimate concern, or my main goal is just to follow that process, right? And the result is just a byproduct, right? So the result is a byproduct. And you need to understand that in pairs trading, I always say it, or I'm confident that if I can follow all my process very clearly, very well, I am always going to close on profit. So let's see how we can achieve this. How we can trade $300 with $300 with discipline and with a proven statistical framework, and see where we can what this account will be at the end of this month. This is June 9, and by 30th or 31st of June of this month, we'll be reviewing the trades, and we'll see the growth. But don't worry, I will be updating you every day. Every time I take a trade on this account, I'll be updating you and explaining how I will be trading, or how I am trading it, so that you can follow along. And finally, I want to thank every one of you who celebrated with me yesterday, my birthday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate, right? Thank you. I love you. So I'll be talking to you in the next one. Until then, Bye.